The Mexico 66 trademark model combines the features of the original Limber Up training shoe that debuted in 1961 and the design of Limber shoe debuted in 1966, as one of the first models that featured the iconic Onitsuka Tiger stripes. With modern design elements, the Mexico 66 trademark model still retains the feel of the 1960s. The model remains an Onitsuka Tiger icon from when it first debuted. Onitsuka Tiger's Mexico 66 Kill Bill colorway is a tribute to the iconic film, Kill Bill. Crafted from leather with minimal suede accents and black details on the tongue tag and side panel design, it is designed with a yellow body highlighted by white top detailing on the sole. Experience unparalleled style and comfort in this classic shoe, perfect for either everyday wear or special occasions.